Your girl is a chef. I just need y'all to know.
What is up, beautiful people? It is your girl Rashima here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video on my channel, Naturally Speechy. If you clicked on this video, most likely it was because of the title. I am making tofu tacos. So on the fast, I'm not allowed to eat any breads or anything, any type of leavened bread. So I am going to be using the corn tortillas, or I'll show you guys what they look like, but basically like corn tortillas for the taco shell, but it's gonna be like a soft taco shell. And then for my protein, I will be having tofu, and I'm just gonna use some regular like taco seasonings. So if you're interested in watching this video, keep on watching, and if you don't think you're gonna like tofu, you can always substitute it for meat. But this is strictly for my Daniel's fast. Towards the end of this video, I will give you guys an update on where I am in my Daniel's fast. Today is day 8. We have a few more days to go. Sunday is our last day. We're gonna hold out strong, but it is day 8 and I am feeling great. So let's keep this energy moving and let's get into this recipe. Alright, you guys, so this is everything I will be using for my tofu tacos. I am behind the camera, so sorry if the sound is a little funky. And my dryer is going, so yeah. I will be using some spinach as my little lettuce base. I have some guacamole here, which is, it has a little bit of pepper in there, so it'll give it some spice. This is the taco seasoning I will be using to flavor my tofu, as well as some regular seasonings from the shelf. I didn't put them out because you can season your tacos however you see fit. I have some green onion over here, some red onion for a little crunch, some nutritional yeast because it'll give it like a little cheesy flavor. And these were the corn tortillas that I was talking about by Mission. Extra thin yellow corn tortillas. And if you want to see the ingredients on the back, the only, I guess I can't focus, but the only ingredient is the yellow corn masa flour and water. So yeah, and then I have this plantain, so I'm gonna cook this plantain on the side to eat with my tacos, and then eat some strawberries with that as well. So let's get right into this tutorial. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start off with our tofu. Since we have to fry it up, I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging and rinse it off and fry it. For those of you who have not seen tofu when it comes out of the package, this is the extra firm tofu that I have here. I'm just gonna press the water out of it. I have some napkins sitting here, and I am just going to press the liquid out of the tofu because it does hold on to the moisture, so that when I fry it up in the olive oil, it doesn't pop. So I already put my pan on with the olive oil, and that's heating up while I'm doing this. So yeah, there we go. Alright. And make sure you wash your vegetables. I've already washed these green onions. Take my knife and kind of give it a cut down the middle. Cuts here, so this is what it looks like up close. Maybe I need to give it another cut. Okay, so that's what our tofu looks like. I'm gonna go add these to the frying pan, and I will show you that once I put it in. It wouldn't be me if I didn't do something crazy, right? So I broke my ring light. It shattered there on the floor in the middle of this cooking tutorial. So I'm just gonna finish cooking, and I will show you guys from my phone what I am doing, but I won't be recording from my camera. I'll be back in a second. This is the tofu frying up. What the tofu looks like.
all seasoned up. I added some special seasoning on top of the taco sauce. From the tofu, so it'll give it a little flavor. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and plate the tacos. I'm gonna spread some avocado over the base, and then I'm gonna add the tofu, some of the spinach, green onion, red onion, and make it do what it do. One hand so you guys can see. Just gonna spread a little of the avocado or the guacamole onto the tortilla. It doesn't look all appetizing, but I can assure you guys that this avocado and guacamole tastes really good. I'm gonna add some tofu to each one. Bloop, bloop. Bloop. Add a little tofu here and there. All right, that looks awesome. Okay. I'm gonna add some spinach. I know, I'm sorry the lighting is horrible. That's what I get for breaking my ring light. Put a little spinach, green onion, bloop, bloop, bloop. It's kind of messy. And some red onion. I'm gonna wrap these up and plate them with the plantains as well as some strawberries. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we're back for a taste test, and I know the lighting is horrible, but I just wanted to show you guys. I put a little nutritional yeast on top of the tacos just to give it a little cheesy effect. We have the plantains and the strawberries, so let's give it a taste. Your girl is a chef. I just need y'all to know. The taco has the avocado, the red onion, green onion, spinach, and tofu, and it is so good.
I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. So if you did, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive more content just like this. But I actually just wanted to come on today and talk to you guys about, or I just wanted to come on after that recipe and talk to you guys about where I am in my Daniel fast. I know you guys can tell that I have so much energy now. Like, I think I'm going to keep this up, just maybe add meat to like one of my meals per day until it like gets old. But I'm alternating my camera because I don't have my tripod. But I just wanted to tell you guys, so I have my things that I usually pray for every year when I do my Daniel fast. Like I stated before, last year I did a 21-day Daniel fast, and this year I'm only doing a 10-day Daniel fast. But I think the Lord dropped some gems on me during this time of fasting and praying. Not that I am expecting to receive anything monetarily or like anything in the physical, but the Lord really like gave me some discernment about a couple of things that I was looking for an answer for, like just some questions or some guidance that I needed. He dropped it on me, and I was like, Lord, what is it that you want me to focus on for 2019? Whatever you revealed to me during this fast, I guess I will carry that out for my 2019. And I feel like the Lord is telling me, like, okay, Rashima, 2019 is the year to focus on your health, your stability, becoming a competent professional. You know, these are things that are very important to me. And he's like, okay, well, if you seek me out, I will give you the desires of your heart, and so on and so forth. I don't want to get too long-winded into this because everybody's journey is different, but I just wanted to come on and encourage you guys that if you feel like you want to do a Daniel's fast, it does not have to be in January. It does not have to be in February. It could be whenever you're ready to start. Just know that when you do start, you have some videos to come back and reference, and just know that you can link me down below in the comments, or send me a DM in case you have some questions or about a video that you would like me to record. Even if I'm not on the Daniel fast, when you post your comment down below, I will try to come back and comment for you or still answer your question during the video. Some highlights from my Daniel fast. I don't know if you guys could tell, but your girl's skin is glowing. I have some occasional bumps that come up, but that's neither here nor there. And I know, you know, everything's regular. I don't have to say more, I could say less. Everything's regular. I feel like I have a little bit more energy than I am used to. Like, I don't need my coffee. I haven't been drinking coffee because I usually have it with cream and sugar. And I'm talking very fast because I'm energetic, but it's after like 6 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm still energetic. So let's start there. Yep, so I don't want to make this video too long, but thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. Like I stated before, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Bring a friend over to this channel. You guys, let us grow. I want you guys to become a part of my community and watch this video right here. If you haven't watched all my videos, what are you doing? So I'm going to leave this video right here just to make it simple for ya. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.